Alrighty, so we're at step 3, which is a good thing, we're almost done. So step 1, blank notebook, basic blue pen, because it's history, we decided the blue was history, writing down our notes in here with the blue pen. One thing that I did not mention about this paper, the loose leaf, it needs to have the same title as the title on your blank piece of paper. All of the titles should be the same. Can't talk. Alright, so whatever the title of the video is, should be the title on the blank paper, the title on the loose leaf, and now step 3 is the note card, okay? Now this is the most important part when it comes to studying for your test, because you're not going to be looking at that blank binder, you're not going to be looking at the loose leaf, you're going to be looking at this, okay? So what you're going to do again with this is you're going to do exactly what we did with that blank, the blank paper, okay? But you're going to write it neatly on here. So you're just going to write 1946. You're going to write John Wilkes. You're going to write Battle of the Buffalo. You're going to write July 4th, 1776. And war. Alright? So that's all you're going to do. So this, in essence, is almost going to look the same as the step 1, okay? But it's going to be neat. Step 1 does not have to be neat. It can be scribbles, it can be cursive, it can be pictures, it can be doodles, as long as you know what it means and you can transfer it to step 2, okay? Step 2 is going to have all your definitions on it, okay? It'll tell you what all this stuff means. So when you're studying for your test and you're looking at this, and you're like, 1946, okay, I know what happened in 1946. John Wilkes, okay, remember who John Wilkes was. Battle of the Buffalo, okay, remember what Battle of the Buffalo was. And then you get to July 4th, 1776, and you're like, alright, I don't remember what happened on that day. So you look at the title of the card, you find the title of this in the binder with your loose leaf in it, and you look down at July 4th, 1776, and you're like, okay, alright, that's what it is. It'll stick in your head. You won't forget it, okay? Don't doubt this process. I'm telling you, it works every time. It seems like a lot of work, but step 1 is really good. There's no lines, there's no rules, nothing. It's just you writing down what the teacher says, and that's on you. You need to be able to know what's important. And I don't know if you remember, but as in the first video, I said names, dates, titles, big ideas that stand out. Anything that they say is important, you think is important, write it down. If it's something that you don't think you're going to remember, write it down. If it's something that you don't understand, write it down, okay? Write down whatever you need to write down in order for it to trigger your memory later on, okay? So step 3 is mainly for you to just study from, okay? So this is the only thing that you should need when it comes to studying for your final. And that's actually what this is for. So this is going to be day 1. It's going to go on your little ring here, and it's going to get closed. And then the next video is going to have its own card, and the next video is going to have its own card, and the video after that. And they are all going to go on this ring for that class. And then it's like you have an outline of every single video that you have seen, okay? It's just an outline, that's all it is. You're going to be able to see all of the main ideas so that when it comes to your final, you're not like, oh my gosh, I don't even remember what the first video was about. Because I'm telling you, the information in these classes, it comes at you fast. And at the rate that you're doing it, it comes at you fast. So just keep trying and try to apply this. I'm going to do one more video, and I'm just going to go back through the entire thing one more time, just in case I forgot anything. And I'm going to add a couple of smaller steps to the end process, okay? Love you.